In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Grape Seed in Grow a Garden Roblox. Now, bear with me, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know over here. So the Grape Seed is actually quite rare, and the only way to get it is inside the seed shop. So let me just get over to the seed shop over here really quickly. There we go. If I open up the seed shop, as you can see, this is the current stock. It will refresh every 5 minutes. And if I scroll down here to the very bottom, you can see there's the grape seed. Now, in order for you to get this, there's only one way really, so you will have to get a bit lucky. Now, if you can see it right now, if it says no stock, what you'll have to do is just wait those 5 minutes, wait for this to refresh, for the seed shop to restock, and then just keep on coming back, and then every once in a while, you'll be able to get a grape seed. Now, so basically just wait. Once it refreshes, every single time you get that notification, that message which says the seed shop has restocked, just come over here, click on seeds, talk to this dude over here, go to the very bottom and see in case the grape seed is available. If it is, you'll be just able to buy it over here, and then you will get it, of course, forever, because the grape seeds can be planted, and then basically you can just harvest them for as long as you want. Now, this is a divine, so of course it will be very hard to get it, but it is very doable, and of course every once in a while you'll get the opportunity to buy it inside the shop. Just make sure you have enough money because it's quite costly, so I don't know how much it costs really. However, I think it's about $500,000 or maybe 300, 400,000. I'm not sure. You can let me know down below in the comments because I have yet to get this, but yeah. So, of course, you can buy it with Robux as well, but who really wants to do that? Nobody wants to spend Robux. So, basically buying it with the in-game cash is your best bet. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.